Imagine uncovering a piece of history that's over 1,200 years old. Meet the Lloyd's Bank Coprolite, the largest human coprolite ever found. Discovered in 1972 in York, England, this ancient relic measures 20 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide, weighing in at 227 grams. But what's truly fascinating about this coprolite is what it reveals about the diet and lifestyle of Vikings during the 9th century. Analysis shows that the person who produced this coprolite primarily ate meat and bread, with little to no fruits and vegetables. And if that's not surprising enough, the presence of mawworm and whipworm eggs suggests that intestinal parasites were a common issue among Viking. Today, the Lloyd's Bank coprolite is on display at the Jorvik Viking Center in York, where visitors can learn more about Viking life and even get a whiff of what Viking poop might have smelled like. A unique glimpse into the past, indeed.